Okay, so I'm going to show you this if I can. I've been playing around with ideas for logo for the Charles Builds Crap initials. So I don't know if you can see this or not. Turn it this way. Something like, I considered something like this. Played around with different ways of doing it. What I'm thinking I want to try is to make these out of horseshoes and the B out of chain, motorcycle chain, and then figure out something for the handlebars to tie it all together. Oops. See what that turns out like. If it turns out decent, I'll make a video on it. So if you're seeing it, I think it turned out decent. This is the chain I'm thinking about using. I'll have to clean the grease and crap off of it before I can use it, but that's a start. Those kind of look like C's. Let's see if I can get a shot of this from my viewpoint here. So this is what I'm looking at. Ignore the bit of chain that goes off to the front. But something like that. And then I just need to find some handlebar front fork, a piece to use for the front fork handlebar piece that attaches the two together. Not happy with that, but I'll save them just in case. That I like that. That's where what I'm going with right there. I'll take a picture of it real quick. And I'll insert that into the video because I don't want to pull the camera off the mount again. Alright, so I got to cut this chain about there. I'm going to throw this in my ultrasonic cleaner. Well, first I'm going to douche it with brake fluid, or brake clean. And I'll throw it in my ultrasonic cleaner. Now, I kind of have to build this B upside down. Alright, I think I've got the chain kind of laid out how I want it. Just grind that rivet out, get rid of that little piece there, that's excess. And I can start kind of tacking it up. I don't know how well you can see this, but I've lined my front down tube up on the chain here. Lined it up. I'm using the Allen wrench I'm using for the forks and the handlebar setup as a straight edge real quick. I'll tack that in place, hopefully straight. Then I'll get my line up things the way they want, try and get at least the straight portion of my bottom tube done. Then I'll work on the top tank and bring this around to meet it. That's the plan. We'll see how well things go to plan. Usually don't at all. So lock that in. I'm not happy with the placement of the front, so I gotta adjust it. That good right there. All right, that's it. CBC, Charles Builds Crap. I'm trying to decide if I'm gonna try and clear coat it. If I do, I gotta get a lot better job of getting the residual grease out of these chain links. All right, thanks for watching, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment one way or the other. Let me know what you think, and if you like this kind of stuff, please think about subscribing.